Here is a challenge for you to think about the positive qualities that you have: your intellect, your personality. Your ability to work well with others may be among the many attributes that come to mind. Here's the next challenge. Think about yourself. What do you dislike? What do you like? To change what can annoy others if you are like most people. This task is much more difficult than the first time. It is much easier to spot flaws in others than to see them in yourself. In a workplace that we all know too well with the flaws of your colleagues, and too often their flaws are too focused of attention. Because this chemistry is difficult because we are distracted by what annoys us in other people. I have been overly critical of your team members. Are the weakest links in your department often discussed? Would you prefer a system that fosters a more harmonious level of collaboration between your team? In this tutorial, we will focus solely on creating a team environment. Recognizing the value of your team members is an accentuation. The accentuation phrase is simply where we shift our focus for a less special characteristic to those who work with us to the most positive and enjoyable components that we valuable to everyone on the team. And to emphasize these values, we are contribute more to a healthy and productive workplace. A good habit is a concentrate effort to promote and there be maximize the benefits in those around you. There are a few simple steps that will make this practice easier. Find out first, make the time to evaluate only the strengths of those around you, not the weakness. Strengths in character with team members. To learn more about these traits, pay close attention to the attributes that make them unique. After you find out, write down the positive traits. Your team members will remember that everyone has at least 5 traits. Qualities that make him or her uniquely suited for success. Therefore, you want to write down these attributes. Write in a few words or less. Good, pertaining to those with whom you work closely. Another aspect remains the fact that we all have different abilities and talents, and we can all do what others do. Therefore, we must respect the traits of others. Since we do our own achievements, we often overestimate people based on their weakness. Emphasize employers' traits of others. Since we do our own achievements, we often overestimate people based on their weakness. Emphasizing employers' traits simply means places, focusing on things. Therefore, focus on your strengths and the strengths of the people around you. To reach the maximum level of skills, remember to emphasize traits your team must recognize, record, respect, and revelate. This way you focus attention and get the most of those around you.